uncommonly good. Now my woman, she treats me like my woman should. She's good as a woman can be. Anything satisfy me, yeah. Oh, what a woman. She treats me uncommonly good. Well, she cleans my house, sews my breeches, scratches my back every time it itches, cooks my food and has my young'un. She makes me proud that she's my woman. She knows I like cornbread, butter, milk, onions, and tomatoes, white beans, turnip greens, Irish potatoes, sets me a table that's fit for a king, and she loves just being my queen. Oh, what a woman. She treats me uncommonly good. Don't know when to take a wife, just what kind of woman is stuck with for life. But I know men who took a spouse and she wound up wearing the breeches in the house. Yeah, but my little woman on the other hand, she can't do enough to please her man. She spends her time just being my girl, and there's not another like her in the world. Oh, what a woman. She treats me uncommonly good. My woman treats me like my woman should. She's good as a woman can be. Anything to satisfy me, yeah. Oh, what a woman. She treats me uncommonly